The digital age has brought about numerous opportunities for people to earn money online, regardless of their skill level or experience. With the vast array of options available, it can be overwhelming for beginners to find a suitable starting point. This comprehensive guide is designed to help students, who often face financial challenges, navigate the world of online income generation. By focusing on both passive and active income streams, this guide aims to provide students with the necessary tools to achieve their monetary goals while balancing their academic commitments. 1. Identifying your skills and interests. To maximize your success in making money online, it's crucial to leverage your existing skills and interests. Begin by making a list of your abilities and hobbies, as these can often be turned into income-generating opportunities. For example, if you have a talent for writing or graphic design, you might consider freelancing in those areas. Your passions can also be monetized through blogging, creating YouTube videos, or even teaching online courses. 2. Time commitment and monetary goals. As a student, it's essential to determine how much time you can realistically dedicate to making money online while maintaining your academic performance. Set a preferred time commitment and monetary goal that fits your schedule and needs. You may opt for short-term opportunities like freelancing or gig work, which offer immediate returns, or long-term projects like affiliate marketing or creating online courses, which often require more time to generate substantial income. 3. Passive income opportunities. Passive income is the money earned with little to no effort on your part after the initial setup. For students, passive income streams can provide a stable source of revenue without impeding academic progress. Some popular passive income opportunities include affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Dividend investing. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to earn regular income without actively managing your investments. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, stock photography, or online courses on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Shutterstock, or Udemy. 4. Active income opportunities. Active income requires continuous effort and involvement to generate revenue. These opportunities often provide more immediate returns and can be ideal for students seeking short-term financial gains. Some popular active income opportunities include freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, and complete projects for clients in areas such as writing, graphic design, or programming. Online tutoring. Teach subjects you're proficient in on websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Teachaway. Gig economy work. Participate in the gig economy by driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering food with DoorDash or Grubhub, or completing tasks on TaskRabbit. Successfully making money online as a beginner requires careful planning, determination, and a willingness to learn. By identifying their skills and interests, setting realistic time commitments and monetary goals, and exploring both passive and active income opportunities, students can effectively harness the power of the internet to achieve financial success. Remember to stay persistent and adaptable, as the online landscape is constantly evolving. With dedication and focus, the potential to make money online is within reach for any ambitious student.